Meow. Meow. Hi, it's Penny Bowden, Crazy Cat Artist. We're doing a simple side profile of a kitty today. Going 3 times the speed here and voicing over. Just getting those parts in. That's actually 2 ears back there that I had to separate a little. The other one's just kind of a little bit visible behind. Really carefully trusting my intuition to get those parts in the right place. Kind of measuring with my eyes, I guess. That nose needs to go up a bit. That looks better. You just want to use the tabby stripes there to capture the roundness of the face. What do you want to learn about cat drawing? Drop me a comment, let me know. I'd love to have your ideas for videos. Just put video idea in capital letters to begin with, and then it'll be easy for me to find your idea in the comments. I just love to hear from you anyways. Tell me about yourself or your cat. Yeah, that just doesn't look quite right there. Just subtle changes make a big difference. You just gotta kind of work your way through it. And I'm getting a lot of lines here that maybe I don't want so much of, but erasers are handy to kind of tone that down a little. The lines help me find my way, and then I kind of tone down what is standing out a little bit too much. It's too much information. Keep the drawing simple. There we go. Tone it down a bit. And we'll get some whiskers in there. Thank you so much for watching today, and I'll see you next time.